Chika Minute. Ang katotohanan sa nararamdaman ni Donnie Pangilinan kay Bel Mariano. Tinawag niyang my beautiful certainty ang pagmamahal niya kay Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang sinambit niya sa interview ng isang mosang. Sabi niya, ang totoo, iba rin kasi talaga ang nagagawa ng emosyon at attachment to someone. Akala ko kasi dati, love is just about happiness and comfort. But the longer I stay, the more I realize it's also about fear. The fear of losing the person who has become your safe space. It's that moment when you look at someone and think parang hindi ko nakakayanin kung wala siya, kung wala si Bel. Sometimes I find myself choosing to settle for less or settling for what's comfortable because naniniwala ako na losing Bel Mariano would be far worse than staying. It's not because I don't deserve better, but because my heart has already decided na she's the best part of my life at hindi ko kayang mawala yon. Ang hirap pala yung ganong klaseng pagmamahal, yung may bittersweet sacrifice. Pero alam mo, even with the fear, I wouldn't trade this feeling for anything. Kasi si Bel yung klase ng tao na kahit sa gitna ng uncertainties, I know I'm still home. So I will keep choosing her day after day, not just out of attachment, but because she is my beautiful certainty in this scary, uncertain world.